Cleaning your gutters is an essential part of home maintenance as it helps prevent water damage and keeps your home looking its best. Hi, I'm Annika, and this is how to clean your gutters. Let's get into it. The first step is to set up your ladder securely on a stable surface. It's a good idea to use a ladder safety clamp to help keep the ladder secure. Make sure it's at the right height so you can comfortably reach your gutters without overextending yourself. Always maintain 3 points of contact on the ladder, 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand. Once you're safely in position, begin by scooping out debris from the gutters using your gutter scoop or a similar tool. Work your way along the gutter, placing the debris into your bucket. This helps to keep the area tidy and avoids the need for extra cleanup. As you go, inspect your gutters for any signs of damage such as cracks, rust, or loose sections, and make a note of any repairs that might be needed later. After removing the bulk of the debris, use your garden hose to flush out any remaining dirt. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've cleaned your gutters. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.